Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change IB on Vantage. Right now what we need to do is we go here to our home screen, and then after that we click on our profile, and then we click here on this arrow where it says go to profile. Then right here we can click here on transfer IB, CPA and sales, and then from now we can select here the partnership type. So select IB if you want to use IB, select CPA if you want to CPA, and select sales if you want to select sales. Then right now fill in here the affiliate code / IB number or promotion invitation code. Then place here the reason for transfer, select this, and then you need to do submit. This is how you can change your IB in Vantage, and hopefully this was exactly the thing where you was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and ciao.